There shall be showers of blessings. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the sea above. Showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy drops from the falling, but for the showers we plead. There shall be showers of blessings, precious reviving again, over the hills and the valleys, sound of abundance of rain, showers of blessings, showers of blessings we need. Mercy of round us are falling, but for the showers we plead.
Good morning to one and all present here. Today, we have joined here for the presentation of project-based learning. Project-based learning helps students develop skills for living in a knowledge-based, highly technological society. With this combination of skills, students become directors and managers of their learning process guided by their teachers. I'm extremely honored and feel privileged to welcome everyone to this program. Distinguished guests, respected executive principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear fellow students. Today, we have Mrs. Vinita Prem, coordinator, as our guest of honor. It is an honor for me to welcome you on behalf of Guardian Public School. Thank you, ma'am, for taking time from your busy schedule to be with us today. Once again, I welcome you to the function. It is an honor for me to welcome our DMO's director, Mrs. Sheja, to this event. Welcome, ma'am. I welcome our versatile and talented executive principal, Mr. Rajneesh Avi. Welcome, sir. I also welcome our principal, Ms. Shriju Thomas, who is here to support us throughout the function. Welcome, ma'am. A warm welcome to all our loving teachers who are always there to help us. Welcome, teachers. Next, I welcome all dear parents who have joined us to show their support. Last but not least, I welcome all my dear fellow students. Once again, I welcome you all to this function. Thank you. Over to grade 3 for their presentation.
If only we humans are willing to learn from the inhabitants of the animal kingdom. They appreciate nature and its beauty because they thoroughly depend on it on a daily basis and thus are careful not to destroy it. I'm Mary Ruth Rami. Should I be presenting a PowerPoint on animal kingdom? Animals are a diverse group of organisms that can make up the kingdom known as Animalia. Now, types of animals. There are 3 different types of animals: herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. Herbivorous. Animals that eat only plants, example cow, rabbit, etc. Carnivorous. Animals that eat only meat of other animals, example lion, tiger, etc. Omnivorous. Animals that eat both plant and meat of other animals, example deer, humans, etc. Now we can classify animals based on their habitat, that is domestic animals, wild animals, and aquatic animals. Domestic animals that are trained or bred to be tame around humans, example cow, dog, etc. Wild animals that live in jungles and hunt their own water and food are called wild animals. Example, lion, deer, bear, and Aquatic animals that live in different water forms such as seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, etc. Example, fish, jellyfish, sharks, whales, dolphins, etc. Now, let's see a wild animal. I am a national animal of India. I am a wild animal and I live in jungle. I have a big and strong body. I have an orange skin with beautiful black vertical strips on my body. And also people scared about of me. Who is the blue fellow here?
Ayon?
Sir, I am an aquatic animal. I live in the water. I perform my function underwater. In my world, I have so many friends. There are dolphins, octopus, jellyfish, etc. I am a man. I am the largest animal on the earth. My weight up to 200 tons. Do you know how to find my gauge? I will tell you. Pounding the ring in my lips. I don't have gills, so I cannot breathe underwater. I have a blower in the top of my head for breathing. And I am the one who produced the longest sound of any animal. Friends, my vomit is valuable. My vomit is used for production systems. Many of them are hunting me for my blubber. So I am an endangered species. So every year it seems the Burberry celebration. Do you know why I'm saying? Who's the naughty one here?
I am a cat. People lovely call me Pussycat or Kitty. Do you love cats? Okay, I have a large eyes. They shine bright at night. Did you see any cats' eyes shining at the night? I love to sleep all the day, about 16 to 18 hours. I can run very fastly, 48 kilometers per hour. I can climb the trees and walls, and I can jump 7 times higher than my height. The king of the jungle, lion, tiger, leopard are also in my family. I hate rats. Some families keeps me as their pets to catch the rats. Oh look, here come the king of the jungle, lion.
I am a lion and roar. I am a lion and I am a wild animal and I live in the jungle. I am the strongest animal. I am called as the king of the jungle due to my huge size, power and attacking nature. Today you can see me in sub-Saharan part of Africa and in Asia. I am represented as symbol of pride, courage and vigor. I am the large mammal of cat family. I also have a family with females and called as lioness and offspring called as cubs. Who is that splashing water on me? I am a cat mammal called dolphin. My home is in the sea. I give birth to young ones. I am very friendly and intelligent. People love me because I am very playful. I communicate using clicks and whistles. Who's that?
I am a puppy. I am a pet at home. I'm playful and cuddly. I love bone to eat. I have tiny sharp eyes. I have sharp teeth as needle. I bark at the strangers. Boo, boo. I always wag my tail when I'm happy. I am loyal to my master. Cat, do you like to sleep every day? Yes, I love to sleep every day. Tiger, what is your speed?
85 kilometers an hour. Hey lion, which part of the jungle you live? I live in my den. Whale, what is your size? 25 meters. Hey lion, why do you like me? Because I'm a carnivorous. Cat, what are you scared of?
I am scared of dogs. Hey dolphin, how do dolphins communicate? Hey dolphin, how do dolphins communicate?
Dolphin Ion.
No ma'am, this is Julia.
Julian ആണോ?
I communicate using clicks and whistles. Cat, how much time do you sleep?
I sleep for 16 to 18 hours. Hey puppy, we all know puppies can sense smell. It is better than humans. Yes, it is better than humans. Wait, how far can you swim?
40 miles per day. Hey little kitty, why are you so cute?
Because I am always cute. Hey whale, why your vomit is expensive?
My vomit is production purpose. Hey dolphin, why do you always come? I hope to communicate.
Hey lion, we all know you can hear from distance. How long is your hearing strength?
I can hear 8 kilometers. Now, my friend Malavika will explain how global warming affects the life cycle of animals. Good morning, all. My name is Malavika R. I am here to discuss about how global warming alters the life cycle of animals. What is global warming? The most serious threat to the environment is global warming. It is a change in the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere. The release of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, etc. gets collected in the atmosphere and absorbs the solar radiation that responds of the Earth's surface. This makes the Earth hotter. This may lead to changing rainfall patterns and rises in the sea level as polar ice caps melt. Factors responsible for global warming. Burning of fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels like oil, coal and gas, it produces large amount of carbon dioxide into the air, which results in climate change. Deforestation. Everyone knows trees release oxygen and absorbs carbon dioxide. By cutting down the trees, the stored carbon dioxide is released into the air and leads to environmental imbalance. Industrialization. The harmful emissions from factories also add to the increasing temperature on Earth. Sophisticated human lifestyle. We as humans have become dependent on luxuries such as cars, houses, and even our cell phones. The overconsumption of this also results in global warming. Effects of global warming: melting of ice glaciers, which results in rising sea levels. Heavy rain. As the earth gets warmer, more and more water evaporates from oceans, lakes, etc., and results in heavy rain. Another effects are wildfires, rising temperature, flood, etc. Now we can take a look at how this growing issue is affecting animal kingdom. As the earth gets warmer, animals that live in cold places like on mountain tops or in the Arctic, for example, polar bears, penguins, Arctic fox, etc., may lose their habitat. Also, the number of wild animals get decreased by deforestation because they lose their homes and food sources. So, the key impact of global warming on wildlife is habitat destruction. For example, Bengal tigers in India is now less than 5,000 in the world, which is very sad. Then the productivity of animals also get reduced due to global warming. That is, high producing dairy cows decreases meat production. The reproductive efficiency of animals also get decreased. The extreme weather events and higher overhead temperature cause stress in the animals. Increases in temperature beyond a critical level for long duration reduce the consumption rates. It increases new diseases in animals, which affects the health of animals. So the productivity, reproductivity, and health of animals are greatly affected by global warming. Thank you. Now we can see the life cycle of butterfly. Over to Karenza.
I'm Kansa Maria Biju. Today, I'm going to explain verbs of life cycle of the butterfly. The butterfly is one of the beautiful creatures in the world. They taste with their feet and have a suction tube for a mouth. There are 4 stages in becoming a butterfly: eggs, caterpillar, pupa, and adult. The process is called metamorphosis. An adult female lays her eggs on a plant. Stage 1. Eggs. A butterfly lays eggs on the leaf of a plant. The interesting thing about butterfly eggs is that if you look close enough, you can actually see the tiny caterpillar crawling inside of it. Stage 2. Caterpillar. The egg hatches and butterfly larva comes out. The butterfly larvae are little caterpillars. When the egg hatches, the caterpillar will first eat the shell, start his work, and eat the leaf. The caterpillar sheds its skin several times so that it can grow. Stage 3. Pupa meets chrysalis. As soon as caterpillar is done growing and it has reached the full size, it forms itself into a pupa. This is like a protective layer. It's also known as the chrysalis stage. Inside the chrysalis, the pupa goes through many changes within the chrysalis. The older body parts of the caterpillar are undergoing a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis. Stage 4. Adult butterfly. After about 15 days, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. When the butterfly comes out, its wings are soft and wet. Butterfly pumps fluid into its wings to make them strong and help them grow. After about 3 or 4 hours, the butterfly's wings are ready and they can fly. Thank you. Elder Sherry is here with his presentation regarding the news reports on how global warming affected animals.
Good morning. My name is Seldashwari. My topic is news collection of global warming affecting animals. While animals face new challenges for survival because of global warming, more frequent and intense drought, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting ice, and warming oceans can directly harm animals and destroy the places they live. Some animals affected by global warming are polar bear, snow leopard, giant panda, tiger, monarch butterfly, and green sea turtle. News report. These are some news I collected from different papers. As per ABC News report, polar bears are invading due to melting sea ice. This photograph shows a whale was found unable to swim in Thailand, near Malaysia. More than 17 pounds of plastic had clogged up the whale's stomach. It has reported on June 4th, 2018 on National Geographic. Birds developing longer beak due to climate change. Animal species changing shape to survive global warming. Giant pandas still face high risk of extinction due to global warming. The Periyar River turned red due to dumping of industrial effluents. It is harmful to aquatic organisms and surrounding animals. Thank you. Now we can hear from Jake.
Hello, my name is Jake Abimatthew. My topic is effects of climate change on animal life. Let us see effects of climate change. We know the effects of climate change around the world. These include some islands like Solomon Island no longer exist because of rising sea levels. Natural disasters like floods, hurricanes, fires, and tornadoes are becoming more frequently. Now let us see the effects of climate change on animal life. Animal habitats are becoming less comfortable. Animals are affected by eating polluted food, and because of that, their extinction increases. Now let us see which all animals are affected. Giant panda bears. Panda eats bamboo, but climate change is reducing the amount of bamboo that grow in panda's natural habitat in China. Next is Asian elephants. Elephants are affected by high temperatures and global warming. This is because they need to drink a lot of fresh water to survive. And there is no water. And in the search of water, they are intruding to our villages. Next is polar bears. Climate change and global warming are reducing the amount of Arctic sea ice. This ice is important because there is where polar bears live on and where they hunt for seals. Stop climate change before it changes you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we can hear a poem by my dear friend Meghna.
Good morning, all. My name is Meghna. Today, I'm going to sing a poem about endangered animals.
The name of my poem is Animals in Danger. Animals in Danger is a meaningful poem written by Glida Matthew. She is a musical artist. She has written lots of poems which comes under children's music. This poem depicts about endangered animals and ways to save them for better tomorrow. Danger, danger, animals in danger, animals in danger. They want to help them, we want to help them, we want to help them. Stay alive. The Bengal tiger, the mountain gorilla, the whooping crane, the African elephant, we want to help them all remain. We want to help them stay alive. What can we do for animals in danger? So they'll so they'll so never hunt them and never harm them. That's the way they stay alive. Thank you. Animals help us in different ways. Can we listen to Hari Govind what he has to say?
Not audible, Harigovind. You're not audible to us. Plug in your headphone properly. Okay. Now speak.
Why animals are important in our life? Animals are important in our life because they are helpful in our life, like dogs. Dogs are useful for guard our house, hens give us eggs. Not only hen, duck, turkey, and goose can also give us eggs. Cows, buffaloes, goats, and sheep can give us milk. Cattle, pigs, buffaloes, sheep, hen can be used as meat. There are two types of animals, domestic and wild animals. Domestic animals are adopted as pets. Wild animals can be adopted as a pet. It is harmful. That is why these animals are called wild animals. Now we can see beautiful painting from Julian Legge.
I am presenting a painting of global warming done naturally on paper. Global warming is a long-term heating of Earth system. The source of global warming: increase in temperature, climatic changes, death of wild animals, drying of trees and plants, swelling of sea due to melting of ice. My painting title: Forestation is a solution for global warming. By growing, planting trees and making forests. Now my friend Messi will speak on conservation of animals. Over to Messi.
Thank you, Julian. My name is Messi Matthew, studying grade 3. Hello all. My topic is need for conservation of animals. Animal conservation means act of protecting the animal life. Animal conservation is important because animal life play an important role in maintaining the ecological balance and conserve animal population and protection of public lands. It is essential to maintain the ecological balance and our health, environment balance and conserve animal population. The human being is the main destroyer of animal life. Animal conservation is important for its beauty, economic, scientific, and survival value. It helps to maintain the food chain. It is our responsibility to save the animal life and our planet. The growth of population, environment, and pollution, global warming has caused a lot of damage to the animal life. Human beings should stop destroying it for our personal benefit. There are a lot of steps to conserve animal life. First one, afforestation. It means replanting of trees. Second one, to control pollution like air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution. Third one, awareness program. Fourth one, wildlife sanctuaries. Fifth one, ban of illegal activities like hunting and killing, etc. The human being is the main dangerous animal destroyer of the world. In India, nearly 200 national parks have been running for animal life management. Animal life, an important part of our planet. World Wildlife Conservation Day is December 4th. So, here is a thought. Wherever there are animals in the world, there is always an opportunity for caring, compassion, and kindness. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now, let's see some of the most unique animals in the world. Over to Sarah.
Saira is here. Saira got disconnected several times.
Ma'am, she joined, but
She's there. She's there.
yeah,
Saira
she's
is there.
there, ma'am.
Sarah? Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sarah, start ചെയ്തു.
Hi, friends. I'm Sarah.
Saira, there's another device. The same device. Please Disconnect one device, otherwise you'll have echo. Have you logged in from 2 devices?
Ma'am,
Abhi, somebody
Yes,
else can share for Saira. The screen can be shared by somebody else. Who's the backup?
ഞാൻ തന്നെയാണ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നത് മാം. പക്ഷെ സൈറയ്ക്ക് ഇതുവരെ പ്രശ്നങ്ങളൊന്നും കണ്ടില്ലായിരുന്നു.
Alla, Abhi screen share ido so that Saira can just do her part.
മാം ഹലോ,
പറഞ്ഞോ അബി.
സൈറയുടെ സ്ലൈഡ് ഓപ്പൺ ആവുന്നില്ല.
അടുത്ത പാർട്ടിസിപ്പന്റിലേക്ക് പോവാം, അപ്പത്തേനും സാറിനെ ശരിയാക്കാം.
ഓക്കെ, സെയിം.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Sain Nishal of grade 3. Today I will show you a mask of a tiger. Now I will explain it. How did I make it? First we need an orange sheet of paper. After that we have to cut a circle from it. Then we need a white sheet of paper, cut 2 circles of it, and we need a black marker and put one dot on the 2 white circles, and we need black marker for the stripes. We need the ears. Cut a half circle for the ears and color it with a brown marker. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now Srihari will tell us the importance of Animal Welfare Act. Let's listen to Srihari.
Good morning all. My topic is Purpose of Animal Protection Act. The Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act was enacted in 1960 to prevent the infliction of unnecessary pain or suffering on animals and to amend the laws relating to the prevention of cruelty to animals. After the enactment of this act, the Animal Board of India was formed for the promotion of animal welfare. Animal is a part of environment, constitutes the wealth of the nation. However, man in the process of progress and development and also for his selfish ends is causing much damage to the animals. To prohibit hunting of animals and impose punishment for violating the same. It imposes a ban on the trade or commerce in scheduled animals. It provides for legal powers to officers and punishment to offenders. In India, animals are used for food, dairy products, clothes. So government passed to 1960 Prevention of Cruelty to Animals is the legal basics of animal protection in India. After that, you can't harm any animal for no reason. Animal protection is important because there are so many animals around the world being used for entertainment, food, medicine, fashion, scientific advancement, and as exotic pets. Thank you. Now, let's listen to a story written by Jovina's father about global warming. Jovina, please.
നമസ്കാരം. ഞാൻ ഇന്നിവിടെ കുട്ടനാനയുടെയും ആൽമരത്തിന്റെയും കഥയാണ് പറയാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഈ കഥ എഴുതിയത് ഡോക്ടർ ജിനീഷ് പാൽ ആണ്. കുട്ടൻ മഹാവികൃതി. അവൻ എല്ലാവരുടെയും കണ്ണിലുണ്ണിയായിരുന്നു. അവന് വെള്ളത്തിൽ കളിക്കുന്നതായിരുന്നു. എപ്പോഴും പുഴയിൽ പോയി കുളിക്കും. കുളിച്ച് മടങ്ങി വരുന്ന വഴി അവൻ പറഞ്ഞു, എന്തൊരു ചൂട്! ഈ സൂര്യനെന്താ ഇങ്ങനെ താഴോട്ട് വന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണോ? ഓരോ വർഷവും ചൂട് കൂടുന്നതല്ലാതെ കുറയുന്നില്ലല്ലോ. എന്താണാവോ കാരണം? കാണുന്നത് ആൽമരമല്ലേ? അതിന്റെ ചുട്ടിൽ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തൊരു സുഖമാണ്! അതിന്റെ ചുട്ടിൽ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്തൊരു തണുപ്പാണ്! അപ്പോൾ കുട്ട എന്നൊരു വിളി കേട്ടു. അവൻ ചുറ്റിലും നോക്കി. ആരെയും കണ്ടില്ല. ഇത് ഞാനാ കുട്ട, ഈ ആൽമരം തന്നെ. അത്ഭുതത്തോടെ നോക്കി. ആൽമരം സംസാരിക്കുന്നോ? നിനക്കറിയാമോ കുട്ട, ഈ പുഴയ്ക്ക് അപ്പുറവും നിറയെ മരങ്ങളായി. എന്നാൽ മനുഷ്യർ മരങ്ങൾ മുഴുവൻ വെട്ടി കാണുന്ന ഫാക്ടറികൾ നിർമ്മിച്ചു. ആ ഫാക്ടറികളിൽ നിന്നും വരുന്ന പുകയും മാലിന്യങ്ങളും എന്തോരമാണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? ഞങ്ങൾ മരങ്ങൾ മനുഷ്യനും ഫാക്ടറികളും വാഹനങ്ങളും പുറത്തുവിടുന്ന കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് സ്വീകരിച്ച് ഓക്സിജൻ പുറത്തുവിടും. എന്നാൽ മനുഷ്യർ മരങ്ങൾ മുഴുവൻ വെട്ടി നശിപ്പിച്ചു. അപ്പോൾ പുറത്തുവിടുന്ന കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡ് മുഴുവൻ അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിൽ അടിയും. കാർബൺ ഡയോക്സൈഡിന്റെ അളവ് കൂടും തോറും ചൂട് കൂടിക്കൊണ്ടേയിരിക്കും. ഓ, അപ്പോ അതാണോ എല്ലാ വർഷവും ഈ ചൂട് കൂടുന്നത്? ഈ ചൂട് കൂടുന്നത് കൊണ്ടുള്ള പ്രശ്നങ്ങൾ എന്തെല്ലാമാണെന്ന് അറിയാമോ? നിനക്ക് കുളിക്കാൻ പോയിട്ട് ഇനി കുടിക്കാൻ പോലും വെള്ളം കിട്ടില്ല. ചെടികളെല്ലാം കരിഞ്ഞുണങ്ങി നിനക്ക് തിന്നാൻ പുല്ലുണ്ടാക്കില്ല. ഓ, മനുഷ്യർ ഇതെല്ലാം ചെയ്തു കൂട്ടിട്ട് അനുഭവിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മളാണല്ലോ ആൽമരത്തിൽ. ഇത് അവർക്കറിയാനിട്ടല്ല, അവരാകും ആദ്യം നശിക്കുന്നത്. അവർ വലിയ പ്രസംഗമൊക്കെയാണ്, പക്ഷെ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യില്ല. അപ്പോ ഇനി എന്തു ചെയ്യും? നമ്മൾ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യാനില്ല, എല്ലാം ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് മനുഷ്യരാണ്. ഒരാൾ ഒരു മരമെങ്കിലും നട്ടുപിടിപ്പിച്ചാൽ മതി. പുറത്തു വീഴുന്ന പൂവ് പൊറിക്കാതെ രക്ഷയില്ല. ആ ഗാർഡൻ പബ്ലിക് സ്കൂളിലെ കുഞ്ഞു കുട്ടികളെ പോലെ മരങ്ങളെയും പ്രകൃതിയെയും സ്നേഹിച്ചിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഈ ഭൂമി എന്നെ രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടു. എന്നാൽ ഞാൻ പോകുക ആൽമരമേ. ഒരു തൈ നടാം നമുക്കമ്മയ്ക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം കൊച്ചുമക്കൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം 100 കിളികൾക്കു വേണ്ടി, ഒരു തൈ നടാം നല്ല നാളേക്ക് വേണ്ടി. എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ല നാളെ ആശംസിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ എന്റെ കഥ. Now we know what is global warming and its effects on animals. So to conclude, let's listen to Malavika.
Ma'am.
Saira, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. After Saira, Malavika can do the conclusion, okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Fine. Yes, Saira.
Hi friends, I'm Sarah. I introduced 3 types of unique animals. First one is unicorn, second one is megalodon, and the third one is sunbear. I explain it unicorn. The unicorn is a legendary animal that looks like a god with a single horn on its forehead. Unicorns are thought to be good and pure creations with magical power. A baby of a unicorn called a sparkle or a shimmer Its favorite foods are grass, plants, flowers, and berries. Megalodon. Megalodon was the largest fish that ever lived. The youngest remains the fossil record are around 26 million years ago. Reconstruction of Megalodon's jaw, they may have been up to 7 feet across. The largest Megalodon tooth to be found was in Peru, and it was 7 foot 8 inches long. Whales, seals, sea lions, walruses, and other large marine mammals and fish were part of Megalodon's diet. Sun bear. Sun bear is the smallest bear. It has short black fur and a yellow spot on its chest. Its ears are small and round. It has big feet with naked soles and long claws which help sun bear climbing. Sun bear is also known as the honey bear for its love of honey. Sun bears are excellent climbers and spend more time in trees. They feed on sweet fruits, small rodents, birds, and other insects. Thank you.
Malavika?
So, global warming has become a threat to the ecosystem. Every plant and animal plays an important role in the ecosystem. So, losing one species can affect many others. Unless we take decisive steps to reverse global warming, more and more species on Earth could become extinct. Let's play our part 2. Plant more trees to make the world a better place to live. Thank you and have a nice day.
Ifa?
Yes, sir. A warm and graceful morning to all the dignitaries, teachers, parents, and dear friends. It is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this project-based learning happen. I, Vibhas Govind, on behalf of Garden Public School, first of all extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. With all His blessings and grace, we are able to make this event a remarkable one. On behalf of my school, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our guest of honor, Mrs. Vinita Prem, coordinator, who spared her time from the busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Thank you all the dignitaries and the Guardian family. Sincere gratitude to all the parents and well-wishers for your support and encouragement. Finally, I would like to thank all my dear friends. Your days of hard work was evident in your performance. Last but not least, a big thank you to each one of you who made this project-based learning memorable for all of us. Thank you.